Hey شكرانات, welcome back to شكرانات by حبي لمعتي مرب عدالة دلخو بزعبا كحلي محلي خون كريكن هميجا كن ازياء makeup look تقبرا. This video is going to be in English and a Tigrinya video, so if you like what you see, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into the first makeup video of 2020. Okay, so it's time to prep our skin, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer, and I'm going to apply this all over my skin. And it is very important that you prime and hydrate your skin before you apply foundation, especially if you want it to look flawless. So I'm going to get a primer. I get that so you can primer looking get skin to بخون to foundation and ملومعات تخط أنا تخينه prime تقدر كن almost primer يتنه. Okay. So today I'm going to be using the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in the shade Chaz. I love this foundation. The reason why I love it so much is because of the fact that it is sheer and it is a sheer glow. So you're going to be glowing, and it's not heavy foundation. It is a light coverage foundation. If you have skin like mine, meaning you don't have any, hyperpigmentation or any, acne or anything like that, and you just like something very light, this is the foundation for you. I'm going to be using the Beauty Blender. It's going to be a little damp, and I'm just going to press it on my face and just beat the foundation into my skin. So is the foundation today looking sheer glow foundation, but I mean light coverage foundation. I'm not take or what comes it hyperpigmentation or zona nagar day will continue up get skin is the foundation marat and lighter. Okay, focus. So I'm going to be using the Fit Me medium shade concealer, and I'm going to just be brightening up my under eye, just bringing a little brightness to my face. Okay, so كل زي بلكنه قربت كان برخ قبل تدلخنه بكونسيلر غير كان يخن برايت تقبره برخ قبل تخوينه بكونسيلر يخن تبره. I know بزحات اللخن كتبر حتى لا دينات كان foundation تقبره and then comes بحق تقبره كنه قد كان كوم مثل so زين حواتي بكونسيلر غير كان يخن تبرها. Okay. So we're going to use my favorite setting powder, and this is going to be the Sacha Buttercup. Only difference today is I'm using a brush. So I'm just going to use a little bit. A little goes a long way. I mean, for me, I don't really do baking, so I just like to tap in the powder and just kind of blend it out with a brush, and it just flawless. Okay, it just stays flawless. I get that, so you got to make sure تحت عينخن set تقبره جمر cable تبقت أنا تخينه set قبره. So I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild primer on my eyes. I like it. It's important. I get that so you prime glow لكن قبره عينخن because زيت لنا بعيننا and تبقت أنا تخينه to to eyeshadow. I get that so you then. So I'm going to be using my favorite Juvia's palette. This is the Nubian palette. I'm going to use Morocco, Jezebel, and Cleopatra. These three colors that you see right here. I'm going to use Morocco first as my transition color, and I'm just going to tap it in and just blend it. As you can see, blending. Just keep blending. It's so important to blend, blend قورات بقركن. Like what I'm going to do is after I blend, I'm going to get a clean brush and actually blend it out and just make it look more smoother. So بطريقتي brush كاك ايره blend more خجوبره خوس خلو blending كجبره. So طبخ مثل focus على لوا كل جزء تام جمر صاحبري focus كتبالله. Okay. So now I'm going to go in with the second color, which is Jezebel. If you're using the Juvia's palette with me, I'm going to use the second color, and this is the Jezebel color, and I'm going to put it underneath the orange color that I had. So تحت orange حبري دقور قوة تا كرايت حبري Jezebel أخذكم comes pink purple عينتها صحابة تحتها orange كاخ قبر عيدن blend قبر just blending. I get that so you blend. That's it. Blend. Okay, now انت هقبل تقلم كحلي بتكبروا عيني كل خياد إزي حجي basic هون نت سالساي حبري نقبل نقد كبروا عيننا. So I'm going to be using this black gel liner all over my eyelids, and this is going to be our base for our third color, which is that royal blue. This is going to make it pop. This is going to make it look really good. It's gonna pop, you guys. It's gonna hold it well, it's just gonna make it look really nice. So that's alam kuhli dagari adallahu nita samawi dugawlu nita عيني كبر عيني كمز ولع كتبلع لا يطبق جرك تحزوا أنا ولع كبلي طبق الرعي تسماوي حبري so كم خينة ألين جرل دلخو so I'm just gonna tap in the blue color which is Cleopatra. I'm gonna tap that in and then you know once I like apply everything and tap everything in I'm gonna start blending it out on the top part just so that there's not a line and that it looks more smooth and not harsh. Okay, so what I'm doing is once apply مسكوبركو نت blue حبري بتاع brush كده comes blend خجوبرة سلامتاي تا line بتفوكس على okay so كم خينة. Okay, that's alam حبري I'm gonna use this black color and I'm gonna apply this black eyeshadow on the outer corners of my eyes using a circular circular motion. I'm gonna smoke it out and kind of bring it in middle of my eye. بخبي motion get it up to جاف كبر عيني. نتاعت ألام apply جبرة شعو blend جبرة تبغى get it. أبزي تبغى كنك أصل كن blend جبرة. قربت دا وسكن blend جبرة لكن. So I put a little bit on and then I just build it up. Okay, so building up is way better. Okay. After that, I'm just gonna use my first two transition colors, and then also the black color underneath my eye. So تمجمرتا أنت كلايتي حبري تتقمكو أتلعل عيني تلعل عيني أفتحت عيني خا قبل اللي ده حراي ما ودعتها خات ألام حبري خا قبل اللي. Yeah, so I just blended the gabra loho I'm just adding a little bit more dark color to it. So off camera I applied my lashes. Lashes I already get a loho. So I'm gonna use a brown lip liner. You guys can use any brown lip liner and just line your lips. This is kind of like self-explanatory. You can use any brown liner that you like. I just use this one. I don't know the name of it, sorry. So برصاص comes a brown عينة رصاص نم كله كنفريخة خلقية. I like Maybelline Superstay Matte ink, and this is the shade Driver 55, and I'm just gonna apply this all over not all over my lips, but in the middle of my lips, and I'm just gonna blend it out all over my lips. I'm doing like an ombre effect, so yeah. So up to كنفري خاطري اللغن أسئلة دا وسخكو إذا أحبري خلق يلي comes ombre حبري أدلة comes more natural than muscle because comes smoky eye تجر كان كل جزء أب عين خن ما دا خمسة dark حبري تخوينه كل جزء like focus تخوين اللب خن كثار لكن because it looks better that way. So my مثل by Revlon pink snow at bahal saha ab كنفري خلق and I'm just gonna apply. You know, you guys can apply any gloss that you guys want. You know, I'm just gonna be applying this one from Revlon, and after that I'm just gonna bronze my skin. I'm gonna use this shade from the ABH palette. That's a collection palette, and I'm just gonna bronze my skin, just bronze it up and just put a little bit of color and warmth back into my skin. So contour and also bronzing you got بزح بلاش هيدك أنا دلله عبز جيزة حجي كن bronzer يتك أمي قربتي حبري خوص خلون تجات أي. And I'm gonna use this Addiction from Laura Mercier as my highlighter. Highlight قبل جات أي. I love this highlighter. It's so soft. It just gives you a good amount of glow without being too crazy. I don't like too much highlight. I like a really subtle highlight. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using. And then I'm just gonna use my MAC Fix Plus, and I'm gonna I'm gonna spray that onto my beauty blender, and I'm just gonna dab it in. This is what I've been doing with my clients, and this is what I've been doing on myself lately, and I like the result of it. So between spray go into beauty blender, set to go into foundation. So yeah, we are looking good, sis. Okay, and you guys are probably gonna ask me about my hair. This is from Zozo Hair. You guys can follow Zozo Hair on Instagram and make your orders on this wig right here. Is Barokoyu. Des لكن تخينا زي Barokoha ab Zozo Hair. هنترخبا زي Barokoha شمخا زودية. So yeah, أبزك أربعة ممكن رخبنا شكرا